Hello there, guys. No, I'm joking. Hi there. These are my kitties. I don't know if you can see them. Oh God, Jesus. Okay, here. It's Luna, like. Okay, this kitty isn't ours, so should it go? So yeah. Sorry, the camera's shaking because I'm using my phone. Yeah, they're scared. But I can imitate a cat. Right there's a cat. I don't know if you can see this because camera's shit. Right there he goes. Yeah, that's Jerry. He's a little pussy. Pussycat. I try not to shake, but that's just impossible. So yeah. I can imitate a cat, so I'm gonna just do it. Sorry for my English, I'm Slovakian, so that's why it's shitty. So yeah. Here it goes. This is gonna be me just meowing, so yeah. Oh, that was bad. And an angry pussy. That was sorry. Yeah. Want a little kitty cat? I got some blueberries. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Blackberries. And you can see my Crocs. They're so sexy, yeah. And some blackberries. Yeah, blackberries. I'm not gonna eat them because I don't like blackberries. I need to scare that cat away because that's just shitty. Yeah, this is just like a vlog thing, but I'm not showing my face because I did it. But I won't do it again because no. So yeah, this is pretty long for my kind of videos. Yeah, I'm uploading speed paints most of the time, and the last speed paint I uploaded was my characters, my free characters, new. They were. I'm finishing it. It's just really hard to draw. I didn't have to right move to draw, and yeah. Here's my pussy. Destroy my pussy. Yeah. That's my. You see? So, my grandma's yard because I'm at my grandma's house. There's my pussy. My grandpa's pussy. What the fuck? Oh, okay. I have to end this right now. So, bye, guys.